Oh shit, oh take, pray them niggas go away. Oh, we selling clowns around, it look like circus show. Like, this is not the album either, these are just a dope.
Hey guys, so it's been a long time since I recorded. I've been recording since September, so I have a bunch of replays to show you with my new rain team that I have. So as you can see, it's really offensive. I have an Ash Greninja, Alucha, Kingdra, which is choice specs. So anyway, just watch the replays. I'll show you. I've been showing the videos where I swept a lot. You guys are gonna really like it. And this track is straight fire. Yeah, as you can see, you know, I have electric seed on my Hawlucha, which makes this a really good sweeper. I used acrobatics because I thought this thing was Zara Y. Because if it was Zara Y and I used high jump kick, it probably would have killed. As you can see right there, I put Hawlucha sweep, and this dude quit. I think I made this at like Monday, I think, whatever. Yeah. I named my Hawlucha. Oh yeah. Also, guys, I'm going to be doing a Pokemon Brick Bronze Randomizer Nuzlocke. Sorry. I'm going to be doing a Pokemon Brick Bronze Randomizer Nuzlocke. It's going to be really fun. It's going to be my first Nuzlocke. I'm going to switch the stuff around. Sides. I'm going to switch it around. Oh yeah, the guy that says Eevee Master, that's me. Just so you know. Yeah, I switch sides. This match wasn't my best match, and I forgot that Mega Diancie has magic bounce. It was a honest mistake because I thought he was gonna switch out. That's the only reason why I did it. And as my Mega Swamper's OP, this Earthquake almost killed. Max attack. You know what I'm saying? Because of the Garchomp switch, I decided to U-turn. It's my Hawlucha. I high jump kick because, you know, Steel is weak to fighting. Can I just say how good this music is? This is my first time playing against a Sakataka. Everybody knows how good that Pokemon is. It's probably like it's not probably it is the best Trick Room Pokemon. Tyranitar is gone. Where is he? He came back. I didn't even know Tyranitar could even run Earthquake, but that didn't stop me from going into because you know, get that high jump kick on. Swords Dance because, you know, I thought he was going to switch out because he's a rock type, but I guess I should have thought otherwise. The reason why this dude doesn't outspeed me is because, you know, I'm unburdened Hawlucha, so I have 620 speed because because unburdened it doubles your speed. And when you don't have an item. So anyway, this dude forfeited because he saw that I was about to sleep. This match was really fun. I had a bunch of opportunities to switch, but I messed them up. Anyway, I always forget to switch out when this lead this dude was gonna switch out with well, if he went to his office. Alright, so I said fairly swept right there, and I thought it was gonna be switch, but we're about to see, and it starts with the C. Anyway, I'm doing the narration. Yeah, I'm doing the narration because for some reason it sounds really Use Brave Bird, which poison resist ice. So I went out to my Halucha. I embarrassed this dude really bad because I, got the +6 attack boost on my Halucha. Right, and I acrobatics him because oh yeah, this was really weird. The Alakazam I thought was Mega, but looks like it was actually, Focus Sash. I don't know who runs that. I don't know what this dude was thinking, but yeah. So I won this match. On to the next match. Here's a team that I made yesterday, because I thought my team was too offensive, so I decided to take it down a notch by putting Ferrothorn in there. That's the shiny one is mine, just so you know. Yeah. This thing will start any second now. I'm waiting for me to start the thing, because remember, this is a narration. I'm editing the video while I'm doing this, so yeah. Looks like I'm taking a really long time to do this thing. Alright, now I finally played it. So I spiked up because I won the hazard support. I knocked off because I thought he was gonna stay into Ferrothorn. But remember, whenever you have a Ferrothorn on the rain team, always remember to start the rain first before you do that stuff. Go into Ferrothorn. Thinking that he was going to Volt Switch, which he did. Yeah, I thought he was going to switch out. Well, it wouldn't make any sense switching out anyway. Went back to my Ferrothorn to, not get the, Toxic. I put on all my layers of spikes, because I thought this dude was going to use Hidden Power, Fire. Because, if you watch my Mega Galay video, you should probably run that. Yeah. So I put up all my spikes. Yeah, didn't die at all. Switched down to my Tapu Koko. And predicting the Landorus switch, I HP iced. Because I know he was going to Earthquake. I went to my Halucha to sweep, obviously. So I Acrobatics. You're going to see how good Halucha is with Electric Seed. I even had to Swords Dance to this, because I already wore his whole team down. So then I high jump kicked, and he died. So anyway, guys, remember to, you know, like and subscribe, right? And yeah, remember to leave a like, subscribe. And I guess we're done.
Bitch, I'm flexing on my DS.
DJ Louis.
I ain't got no time for BS. Dot, 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 I pull up like red. Dot, 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 if it ain't about the bread. Dot, 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 3 dots on his head. Don't like how you come in, I let off the lead. Got your girl singing, she put me